In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Turo account step by step so you can start browsing and booking cars with ease. First, we'll need to open the Chrome browser on your device. Once you've got that up and running, head over to Turo.com, which is Turo's official website. Upon reaching the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a sign up button right there. Go ahead and click that to start the process of creating your new account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. Start by typing in your email address. Make sure it's an email you have regular access to, as this will be crucial for account verification and future communication. Once you've provided your email, it's time to create a password. Choose something that's both secure and memorable. It's a good idea to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. After setting up your password, continue filling in your personal details as required. This information might include your name, date of birth, and any other necessary information that Turo asks for. Remember, it's important to provide accurate details to ensure a smooth experience down the line. Once you've filled everything out, you'll be asked to agree to Turo's terms and conditions. It's always a good practice to give these a quick read so you're aware of what you're signing up for. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and agree to the terms, which will allow you to proceed with the account creation. The next step is to verify your email address. Turo will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Head over to your inbox and you should see an email from Turo asking you to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This step ensures that your email is valid and connects it to your Turo account. After successfully verifying your email, it's time to log into your brand new Turo account. Head back to Turo.com and this time click on Log In, which is usually next to the Sign Up button. Enter the email and password you just set up to access your account. Once logged in, you're all set to start exploring. Browse through the variety of available cars, customize your search to meet your preferences, and find the perfect vehicle for your needs. Hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your new experience with Turo.